So back probing is really great. And even if your students learn to do this delicate procedure and they practice on it, eventually, after 10, 20, 100, 500 students go through this, that connector is going to be a little worse for wear because they're never that gentle. They're sometimes going to be front probing, using the wrong probe, chewing on the connector, breaking it, whatever it takes. So what do you do then? You buy a new product? No, you don't need to do that. Each one of these harnesses is replaceable. So you can lift off this cover, pull out the connector, change out the harness. It's that easy. You can be back in business in minutes.